Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Eden, your friendly math teacher online. This time, I am going to give to you my ideas about subtraction of integers. In subtraction of integers, we have a rule to consider. So, we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition. So let us have an example. We have here example number 1. So we have 20 minus 5. So 5 here is our subtrahend. So this is our subtrahend. Okay. So sabi dito, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition. So it is understandable and we all know that 20 minus 5 is 15. But if we are going to follow the rule of subtraction of integers, so we have, so copy 20. Okay. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition. So, therefore, we are going to change the sign of our subtrahend, which is positive 5. So, instead of subtraction, we are going to add. Then, change the sign of your positive 5 into negative. So, therefore, we have 20 plus negative 5. So, unlike sign, adding unlike sign, so we are going to subtract. So, 20 minus of 5 is 15. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 20 there and the sign of 20 is positive. Therefore, our answer is positive 15. Next is number 2. Negative 20 minus 5. The same, copy negative 20. Then, instead of subtraction, we are going to add and change the sign of your 5, your positive 5, into negative. So this will become, so adding the same sign, so add the numbers, so 20 plus 5 is 25, and then copy the common sign, which is negative. Next, problem number 3, we have, so negative 20 minus of negative 5. So the same, copy negative 20. Then, instead of subtraction, we are going to add and change the sign of your subtrahend, which is negative 5, so will become positive 5. So therefore, we have, so adding unlike sign, so subtract the numbers. 20 minus 5 is 15. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number here is 20 and the sign of 20 is negative. So therefore, copy negative. So our answer is negative 15. Next is problem number 4. We have 20 minus negative 5. So copy 20. Your subtraction will become plus. Your negative sign will become positive. So we have 5 positive. Then your 5 will become positive. So adding the same sign, the same positive, 20 and positive 5. So add the numbers. So we have 25 and copy the common sign is positive. Okay. So another example is we have 5 minus 20. So 5 minus 20, subtracting the smaller number by the bigger number. So our answer here is negative. So how come, no? So the same process, the same procedure, copy 5, then your subtraction will become addition, and then your positive 20 will become negative 20. Proceed to the rule of addition of integers. So adding unlike signs. So we are going to subtract. So 20 minus 5 is 15. And then the sign of the bigger number, which is 20, is negative. Therefore, negative 15 is our answer. Another one. How about, okay, negative 5 minus, okay, 20. So we have negative 5. Instead of subtraction, we are going to change this one into positive, a plus sign. So plus, and then your positive 20 will become negative 20. Proceed to the rule of addition. So adding the same sign, negative. So add the numbers. So we 5 plus 20 is 25, and copy their common sign, which is negative. Another one is positive 5 minus of negative 20. So copy 5, change the sign of subtraction into addition, change negative into positive. So will become positive 20. So 5 plus 20 is 25, and their sign is positive. So another one is, so negative 5 minus of negative 20. So copy negative 5. Instead of subtraction, we are going to proceed to addition. And then your negative 20 will become positive 20. So positive 20. Proceed to the rule of addition, adding unlike signs. So the sign of 5 is negative and sign of 20 is positive. So unlike signs sila. So we are going to subtract. 20 minus of 5 is 15, and then the bigger number is 20. And the sign of 20 is positive. Therefore, your answer is positive 15. So that's all for the subtraction of integers. So let us remember the rule in subtracting the integers. So we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition.